All right, we have our dashboard, we have our widget, we have our slicer. Now we want to know, because I don't want to look at it, I want it to come to me, right? MSPbots allows you to put your data in motion. So I just click on these three dots and I hit Create Bot. I click on these two dots and I hit Create Bot. There we go. And it's going to give you this name. I am going to say alert for new tickets greater than or equal to 15 minutes. Let me just, tickets in new status greater than or equal to 15 minutes. And it says this bot's generating an alert for tickets over 15 minutes. Invalid name. Special symbols are not allowed. Cool. New status over 15 minutes. All right, I'm going to tag it. All right, Joe, get your crap together. All right, I'm going to tag it. So I can group it, hit confirm. And it's going to take me to the bot builder. Bot builder is pretty straightforward. Because I created the bot from the widget, it already selects it. But now I want to put my condition in, right? I want to say if that ticket count is greater than, we can say just greater than 0, right? That means if there's 1, we want it to do something. And I want it to do something, repeat every 15 minutes. And I want that to start, and it's July 16. And I want it to start at 10:45, 15 minutes from now. All right, now I'm gonna hit next. So I have my time required, and every 15 minutes, you know what? Let me make that every 5 minutes. I think that would be better. So now every 5 minutes it's gonna see if there's a ticket in there over 15 minutes. Hit next. Here's all the means of communication. What we're going to do is a private chat. So we're going to message somebody directly if it meets that criteria. So I select the recipient, and then I put in the data. Hi, because I'm polite. And then you can put in fields from that ticket, right? So we're going to say there are this many tickets. There are this many tickets. And I'm going to hit the layer. The status. There are 15 minutes in new status for over 15 minutes. So it's simple. I can save this as a ticket, and if I wanted to use this for the RMM board, or if I want to use it for another board, or if I want to use it for another status, you can just tap the fields in there. I'm going to hit next. It allows you to do multiple escalations, like, hey, this person hasn't done something about it, do something about that. This person hasn't done something about it, do something about that. So you can lever your escalations because if these are client issues or outstanding sales, whatever that alert is that's important to you, and the person you want to do something with isn't, you need to escalate. Then I'm going to hit finish. So I have my trigger, which is tickets in new over 15 minutes greater than 0. I have my alert. It's going to send a message directly to the person in Teams. And I have no escalation, but it's here. I'm going to hit save. Now, once I hit save, I'm going to go back to the details tab. And this is where you control it. Right now, the first thing you want to do is hit trigger. Because that's going to trigger it, and you can see if it's working or not. You could trigger it and create 150 alerts that you didn't want to. So allow it to run, and then you're going to go into run history, and you can see how many times it ran, and then what it did. Did it send messages? What was the message that it sent? Who did it go to? And if it meets your needs, then turn on the alert. I'm not going to turn on the alert right now. I'm going to let you turn it on, and we should be good to go. And with that, have a great day.